Hello everyone, in today's class, we'll learn about the difference between library functions and user-defined functions in C programming. After that, we'll also write a simple program to swap two numbers using the concept of call by reference. Okay, let's start. Difference between library and user-defined functions. In C programming, functions are used to divide a program into smaller, manageable parts. Now, these functions are mainly of two types: library functions and user-defined functions. Let's see how they are different. One definition: library functions are predefined functions that come with the C compiler, for example, print, scanf, sqrt. User-defined functions are created by the programmer according to their own requirements, for example, sum, fact, or swap. To creation, library functions are already written and stored in special library files. User-defined functions are written by us inside the program. 3. Header files. To use library functions, we must include the correct header file, for example, studio, h or math, h. For user-defined functions, there is no need to include any library file unless required. For control of execution, the program execution starts from user-defined functions like main, not from library functions. So, in short, library functions save time because they are predefined, while user-defined functions give us flexibility to perform specific tasks. Program to swap to values using call by reference. Now, let's look at our example program to swap to values using call by reference. In this program, we have a function called swap that takes two pointer variables as parameters: void swap int asterisk a, int asterisk b. Int temp equals asterisk a equals asterisk b equals temp. Here, the asterisk operator is used to access the values stored in the addresses of a and b. We use a temporary variable temp to exchange their values. In the main function, in x equals 120, y equals 150. Swap and x and y, we pass the addresses of x and y using the AND operator. Because of this, any changes made inside the swap function directly affect the original variables. So after swapping, x equals 150, y equals 120. And we can see the result printed on the screen. So, that's the difference between library functions and user-defined functions, and how call by reference allows us to modify variables directly from another function. Thank you for watching and keep practicing C programming. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos.